So hello guys, in this video I'm going to tell you some common Linux command, which is first one is the ls command, which is you can view all files and all data inside this directory. So and the next one is make directory, and you can make the directory called cheetah. So I'm just made this directory as cheetah. So the next command is I want to change this directory. It's like I want to go to another new, I want to go to the folder which is we are creating now. So we are using the command cd, and I want to just type the directory name, and now I am in the cheetah directory. So in here I don't have any files, so now I have to make some directories in here. So I'm gonna make this a test. So here now I just type ls, so you have this directory which is now we are create, and I want to remove this one, so I want to delete file, right, like Windows. So I'm gonna remove directory and directory name. So in here I just check which is inside in my cheetah directory. So they have nothing because we are remove it. So then like I want to make some test file in here, so you can just type command as nano and just give the name, I will give this one, and you can type whatever in here. So I'm gonna just type like this, and you have to search, you have to save this one, Ctrl+X, and yes, and the file name is ss. So now you have some file in ss. I think it is a test file. In command cat is used to read test file. So now I'm going to read this one. So here we have our test. So I want to remove this file also. So just type remove ss. So here I again type ls. Here you have nothing. So this is the basic of Linux command, which is help you to use in the terminal. So see you guys in the next video.